Hi, I'm Jen, a real estate photographer and business owner on the East Coast of Central Florida. On this channel, I teach and help you simplify both the technical and business sides of having a successful real estate photography business. So be sure to like and subscribe for tons of tutorials and free insider guides and information. Also be sure to check out the description below for helpful links and some free guides too.
So one way to bump up your bottom line, your order value, and make more money is through add-on services. So these are not part of, the packages that I have, like the aerials, the photos, the video. You want to have a section for add-ons and kind of bump up the earnings for that day or that project. So one easy way to do that is through 2D and 3D floor plans. And they're making it easier and easier on us to be able to do this and to be able to do it quickly and efficiently. And really, it only takes 5 to 15 minutes and you're making a couple $100s. So easy peasy, guys. The app that I want to share with you is called Casa. You can download it right from your phone and you use your phone to do the floor plans. So I have that in your workbook here. I have examples of what all of those floor plans look like. And guys, it's becoming more and more popular. Agents want this. It's a great, great service to be able to say that you offer. Download the app. And I provide a tutorial link here that will show you exactly how to do the 2D floor plan, which then translates if you want to bump it up and add more value to the client by doing a 3D floor plan or a dollhouse view where you're kind of looking from the top down into the home, or a 3D video rendering even. It's just incredible what you can do from just one scan that takes you 5 to 15 minutes, no lie. So that's using your phone through Casa. Super simple. You don't need any extra equipment. And then there's different pricing that is associated with each floor plan. And then you'll want to price that service accordingly. Of course, look at my pricing guide and you can see exactly how much I charge to then still be profitable. The 2D floor plan, guys, if you just want the box outline, Casa actually offers that completely free. I always do the fixed furniture option, which is $15, and we charge $125 at the time that I'm making this video for the 2D floor plan. So it's like almost all profit, okay? And then as you go up in tiers with the dollhouse view and whatnot, you'll see exactly what Casa charges you, and then you can price accordingly. The next thing I'm going to talk about is 3D Zillow tours, okay? These are absolutely free and they're super easy to do, and the agent hires us to do them because they just don't have time. Ain't got time for that, okay? But we do, and it doesn't take much time at all. So really, for the 3D Zillow tours, this is all you need. You need a monopod, and you can see this is actually Manfrotto, which is the same company that the tripod that I used for the camera is from. It's excellent, it's sturdy, you can count on it, and it goes way up. One thing I will say though, I did get a bat weight, like a baseball bat weight that you may or may not be familiar with. Maybe if you're a guy, you'll know. But I am able to unscrew the base here and put the bat weight on the bottom to kind of keep it secure, especially outside, because I have lost a camera or two, the 3D camera, by the wind just knocking it down, and then it breaks into pieces, and that's totally not fun because these guys are a couple $100s and you don't want to cancel out your earnings for that day by something happening to your equipment. So whether it's a rock or something that you place on the base of this when you're outside, that's always a good idea. I just wanted to mention that. But Zillow tours, through the app on your phone, you control this little 3D camera up here. Super easy to do, and like I said, does not take much time at all, and it is free. Zillow wants all of this information on their site, and it's great for potential buyers to be able to swing around and see a whole panorama of each room of the house. There's really no guessing left between your photos. If they order video, they have a floor plan, they also have a Zillow tour. A lot of agents prefer Zillow because it attaches right to the listing whenever it goes live, and it's just another layer of marketing material that they're able to use to showcase the home. And it really weeds out a lot of people who, may see a few photos online and get to the house and then they're like, well, wait a second, I don't like how the kitchen connects to the living room here, or it's not as an open floor plan as I thought. So some agents prefer to do this. That way there's no guessing, and it saves them time in the long run, wasted time having people having to show the house, and it'd be a waste of their time because there was something about it that they didn't like that they could have discovered right away with a tour like this. So all you need is the monopod, you need the 360 camera, and it has to be specific brands, right? There's only a few brands that are compatible with Zillow and the app. Of course, you can go right through the vendor and have the Ryko app, or Rico, however you pronounce it. I always say Ryko Theta. This is a Ryko Theta 5. They have the Z1, which is about twice the price, and it's really not necessary. So if you find a Theta 5, that's perfectly acceptable. The resolution looks amazing, and for the purpose, it's totally acceptable. There's also an Insta360 camera, I believe is compatible as well, but I really prefer this brand and this model, and that's what my whole team uses. In the future, I might upgrade to the Z1, but it's really, I've never had a complaint, and it's really not necessary. So your phone, this, and that, and then it's the tour. As soon as you hit send, it's ready within minutes. So it is a great service, easy service to add to your portfolio. So I even show you here exactly the steps when you open the app, everything you need to do to complete the tour. And I'm also going to show you how to do a tour in person. So don't skip this. It's easy money. We charge $99 and it's free for us from Zillow. So no back end costs there. It's all profit, guys.